We're super excited to be on board Oceania Allura this week, so come on board with me and I'll take you around and show you what's on board this beautiful new ship in the Oceania fleet. This is deck 5 on Oceania Allura. It's almost like the heart of the ship, really. This is where you'll find things like destination services to book your shore excursions. You'll find the reception desk here, port services. There's some shops. There's also Red Ginger and Jack's is down here too. So get yourself down to level 5 and have a good look around.
That's the only one I've had.
Here we are on Oceania Allura, and this is my favorite spot. This is Baristas and the bakery, and they do amazing little cakes and pastries and savories during the day. And they also have a great choice of coffees, including seasonal ones like this gingerbread cappuccino, or you can get a pumpkin spice latte. So make sure you hang out here. It's the coolest spot to be for morning teas or those quick coffees, or even an afternoon aperitivo. Let's see you on board Oceania Allura. Let me introduce you to this cool new venue on board Oceania Allura. This is the creperie, and this is the place to come for amazing crepes, really cool waffles, frozen yogurts, ice creams, just all those yum yums, right? And this amazing crew will make you the tastiest desserts you've ever had. Just waiting for that banoffee crepe coming up soon. Here I am in the creperie on Oceania Allura, and this has to be my favorite. This is a banoffee crepe, and I'm taking one for the team here. I'm just going, I just have to see what it tastes like, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing, just like the last 4 I've already had. See you soon, guys. Welcome to Polo Grill on board Oceania Allura. This is one of my fave eateries, although there are many on this ship, but this specializes in amazing steaks. One of Leah's favorites, lobster mac and cheese, and great seafood, great steaks. It's a really good place. It's a specialty restaurant, but it's actually included in your fare. So you can come along to the restaurant desk, you can book yourself in here. It's a great night, fine dining, beautiful service, amazing food, you'll love it. Let me show you the pool deck on Oceania Allura. Again, one of my favorite spots, but what isn't on this ship? Loads of lounges, great pool, a good swimmable sized pool, nice spa, and then just up above it, there's Baristas where we get the cheeky coffees from. So yeah, pull yourself up a lounger, enjoy yourself some sun on board Oceania Allura. Are you obsessed with your 10,000 steps a day? There's a fantastic running track on Oceania Allura. Come on. Here on Oceania Allura, you can keep up with the latest trends. Pickleball. Everybody loves a pickleball game, especially when you've been eating all the cakes like I have. So get yourself up here on the top deck, get your pickleball skills going, and 10, 5, 4, do you like a bit of golf and you don't want to miss out while you're cruising? Oceania Allura has this fantastic putting green up on the top deck. And man, I'm just going to do a quick hole-in-one to just show you how it works. Oh, maybe that's in the rough. On Oceania Allura, it's all about staying active. And you know, if you're not a pickleballer or a golfer, then have a game of Bago. See if you can maybe score some better than I do. So here we are on Oceania Allura. It's not all about your short game, you can also practice your long game. Let's see if I can tee off right over the bow. Oh, hole in one. It's not just golf on Oceania Allura, there's this fantastic croquet bouquet court. So you can really hone your skills, like, so when you're in that next episode of Downton Abbey, I'm just hopeless at any kind of sport. Are you a traditional cruiser that really likes shuffleboard? I've heard you can be good at this if you're good at hoovering. Let's see how we do. Oh, it's a 7. Finally found something I'm good at. Do you like getting creative on your holiday? On Oceania Allura, we've got the Artist Loft. You can sign up here for lessons and they can teach you how to create this sort of amazing artwork. I have to say, I did it myself and I was quite proud of my efforts. It looks slightly better than my 5-year-olds. This is the Link Digital Centre on deck 14. It's amazing. It can teach you how to use your iPhone, how to take pictures. There's a session on AI, there's a session on personal security. Honestly, sign yourself up for one of these lessons. You'll learn so much even though you thought you were the world's best techno geek. Here's a magical spot on Oceania Allura. This is the library and it's been relocated to a new location, but look, it's fantastic. There's a great choice of books. My favourite author. You can even pretend you're sitting by the fire. So if you want some quiet time, come on up here and sit in the library and choose a book. Oceania Allura is one of the only ships at sea that has a proper smoking lounge. It's like a gentleman's club. You've got these leather Chesterfields. It's not too smoky in here. But look, you can also get yourself sorted with a Cuban. So if you are a smoker and you thought you were ostracized, maybe this ship will suit. This is the amazing Culinary Centre on Oceania Allura. You can book in here and do a cooking class with one of the chefs. It's absolutely amazing. You learn some amazing new techniques and then you get to share the meal afterwards. But what an amazing venue, look at this. Do you love a spin class? Well, you don't have to stop them when you come on board on Oceania Allura. We've got a whole spin class goes on here. Sign yourself up, it's all included, you'll have heaps of fun. And you'll stay fit. Here in the Aquamar Spa, there's a relaxation room. So before or after your treatments, you can go in here, you can relax, you can get ready for your treatment, or you can chill down afterwards. And outside on the Aquamar terrace is a thalassotherapy pool. You can lie there and bubble away to your heart's content. Awesome. If all that activity on the sports deck and all those cakes and pastries are too much for you, come to the Aquamar terrace and relax on a heated bed.